Simple solutions to life.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Marylock and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Okay, in case you're new here, you're just passing by, please join us here. Just hit the subscribe button and join this family, because here we make a lot of sense spiritually and even physically, medically, herbally, and financially, relationship wise. In every aspect of life we seek for simple solution and we try to share it with us here, and then we follow it and get results. Yes, so guys, you're not in the wrong place. Okay, today I want to teach you something about rosemary and cloves. Yes, I want to show you something and I want to bring this to your knowledge. Okay, rosemary and cloves will do a lot of wonders in your life, medically and spiritually. Yes, so we are going to take it one after the other. Okay, I will explain to you what you can benefit from using rosemary and cloves. This is cloves, okay, and this is rosemary. The rosemary, we sell the dried one. Yes, this one is a fresh one. I got this from ShopRite, so I was so intrigued because I've been looking for the fresh one. I want to explain to you guys what you can do with it. I want to show you the fresh one because I've been showing you the dried one. So we got this one. I said, I must not pass this by. Let me just get it and show it to my larger family, which is you. Yes. So guys, now clove, as you see like this, has a lot of medical importance to our health. Okay, and then spiritually, hey, cloves is a magic herb when we talk about spirituality. Yes, if you have cloves in your house, you are blessed, and that is why I have a full jug of clove in my house. Yes, because there are 101 things that you can do with cloves, and you won't go wrong and you will get results. Yes, so now this rosemary, somebody who is suffering from mental problem, yes, somebody who is having mental problem, the mental problem can be maybe retardation, it can be forgetfulness, and it can be actual mental problem, like the person is not reasoning right, is sick mentally, like psychiatric problem. When you have rosemary, whether it is fresh one like this or it is the dried one, you can use this with clove. Okay, see, when you want to use this spiritually with cloves, this one now, when you want to do, like, spirituality requires a lot of precision. Okay, yes, so you can count strands of it, like now 1. You see, like this one, each one represents 1 strand, right? You count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that until you get to 21. Yes, 21 pieces of it. That is each leaf like this. That is, if you want to use it for spiritual solution, like somebody who is having psychiatric problem. Okay, and then cloves, you will count 21 pieces of clove. Okay, like now you take you know, one like this. Now this is one, right? Clove. So you will select like this. Now you take 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 21 pieces. Then with this one, 21 pieces. Okay, see, in this case now you can pound it in a small mortar. Okay, you pound it in a small mortar, then add it to the food for the person, either food or drink or something. Yes, you add it for the person to take. It is for spiritual purpose. Okay, so, and again, the person can take it in drink, or the person can take it with food. Yes, just for that person alone. Okay, now you as a person, under normal circumstance, now you want to use clove, you want to use this one. Even if you have the dried one, yes, because I know some people still come and ask me, Medilock, what if it is the dried one, this and that. See, if you have the dried one, you can use it. You can still count the same 21 strands like this of rosemary. Yes. Yeah, it smells nice. Yeah, so you can count 21 of it and then 21 of this. Okay, so you pound it, remember, and if you don't have small mortar, you can crush it. Make sure you can blend it also, and you can crush it, you can pound it, whichever way. Make sure you render it soft and smooth. Add it to the food of the person, or you add it to the drink. You do this once in a day until you see results. Okay, now if you are suffering from mental problem like retardation, yes, you're because of your age or because of some kind of health issues that you've experienced, or maybe accident, some people may be involved in accident, some may be involved in a fight, and some may just give them a slap that would turn their brain 360 degrees and start reasoning differently. It happens. Okay? Just a slap on the face is enough to turn somebody's brain upside down, start reasoning differently. Yes, they'll say there's a bang, there's a hit or whatever. So, and some is natural. Some because of age, you are now having issue with remembrance. You hardly remember things, and then when you study, you find it difficult to remember what you have read. When you go to the exam hall, you'll be looking at the ceiling. So you can use this, put them together, boil it together and drink. Okay? From time to time. It will boost your brain back, your memory back. And you can also add coconut water to it. If you have honey, you can just apply. But for immune system, for those who are sick, or some people have health issues that they will say their immune system is not strong. So they can easily fall sick, they can easily contract disease, they can easily do this and that because they have a very weak immune system. So if you are having this kind of issue, what you need to do is you boil clove and rosemary together. When you boil it together, you drink. It will boost your immune system. Yes. And talking about immune system, that reminds me, our virus remover, the one that we use for those who are having, who tested positive to the deadly virus. Yes, there is a new twist that I need to explain to you guys. So, if you tested positive and you are already on retroviral drugs, it is pertinent and compulsory you take 3 doses of it. But if you just tested positive and you have not started taking retroviral, it has not taken root in your body yet, 1 dose of this virus remover will wipe it out of your body. Yes, that guy in Italy, that young guy in Italy met a lady on Facebook. They kept chatting and all that, and the lady came and visited. Europe, yes. The lady visited him, and they jogged together, and before you know it, he tested positive to the virus. And he said for years now he has been in the Europe, he has never jogged in any valley. It was just that lady, and this was what he got. So he cried to his sister, and the sister cried to us here. We sent them the virus remover, and the result came back negative after 1 month of application, after 1 application. So, but if you have been taking the same thing applicable to the lady in Egypt, and the same thing applicable to the person in Uganda. So many people like that have tested negative. So guys, if you are already on retroviral, you're supposed to take 3 doses of it for it to go out. Like that man in Kenya now, he's on the last dose, and the man is fine now. Because I'm following up with him, because his own came down to a final stage. They were expecting him to die. Yes. But we thank God, now he is back. He's going out. He's doing everything. He's fine. Now, if you see him, you never knew that 3 months ago he wanted to die. So, guys, try that, okay? So, now, if you have rosemary with you, if you have this rosemary, you are blessed, okay? So, just try rosemary and clove. It performs wonders. Yes, it is wonderful. So try it, and then you will thank me later. For those who placed order for this bracelet, these are highly fortified. Yes, they are already fortified. We fortified them extra. So if you want to place order for your own, we can send it to you wherever you are. This is Good Luck bracelet. I've been wearing my own, and it is working. Yes, I will not tell you how much I've attracted, because you will come and kidnap me or come and ask me. Yes, it has. We have them in 2 different shades. Like this one, the head of the dragon is here, and then we have this one. It has 2 heads of the dragon and the body. This is black stone, pure black stone, and very heavy. So if it is not the original, it will never be like that. Okay, so guys, watch out. Okay, and this one are Medilock fortified, and it's working seriously. Okay, so we have our herb for staphylococcus. Yes, for those who are suffering from that sickness, that infection called staphylococcus. Yes, if you are suffering from staph, this is a herb. It flushes it out of your body, because staphylococcus is the kind of sickness that is sexually transmitted disease that stays in your body, that even grow from one stage to the other. And times some people, it render them sterile. Yes, it prevents conception. Or if you are a man, you're having it for years, it can prevent you from impregnating any woman. No matter how fertile the woman is, you will not be able to get her pregnant. Yes, it destroys reproductive system. Yes, and then this is asthma. Yes, this one you're supposed to take it for 21 days with honey. You boil it in water, and then you drink it. When the water is finished, you boil another batch. When you boil it, you can keep it in the fridge and be drinking 1 glass cup once in a day, for 21 days with honey. And you will kiss asthma goodbye. Whether the asthma is hereditary or the asthma is environmental, whichever type of asthma that you have, or it is even a spiritual asthma. In fact, the spiritual asthma will go faster. Yes. So, guys, you can place order for your own if you want. Okay, and then I showed you Mampi powder for treating erectile dysfunction in men. Yes, and this one is for those who their erectability is not giving them that sustainable support when they go into the jogging, when they go to the valley. So if you want to remain in that valley to jog for a long time, take this, okay? Just one dose of it like this. You drink it 2 hours before you go to bed. Yes, take this. But if you know that your woman is not going to cooperate, please don't drink it, okay? Because when others are sleeping, or when the other part of your body is sleeping, one part will not sleep, okay? And don't say Medilock, don't call my name. Yes. So it's very effective, okay? All right, guys. I've spoken for a long time. Let me do my for you. See you again in our next video, okay? Please subscribe to my channel and remember to share my video with your friends and family. Remember, I'm your Nwanim, Aburo, your sister. Yes, your Omayi. See you again in our next video. Bye.